Are your PowerPoint slides looking flat, simple, and a bit boring? Today, I am going to show you a clean, modern animated slide that uses the Morph transition to turn basic shapes into a smooth, professional step-by-step reveal. You can use this technique for timelines, processes, option highlights, comparison, anything that needs clear visual storytelling. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. First, insert a rectangle and place it at the center of the slide. Open Format Shape, choose a solid color for the fill and apply the same color for the outline so everything looks unified. Now, apply a sketched style, select Scribble and increase the width to 24 points. Inside the rectangle, type short labels such as Step 1, Step 2 or Step 3. Duplicate the rectangle, align its center and remove its outline. This gives the design a smooth, layered look. Insert a cylinder shape and place it outside the slide. Remove its outline and choose a matching fill color. Go to Shape Effect, apply a soft shadow and select Offset Right. This creates a clean depth effect that works beautifully with Morph animation. Duplicate the slide. Now, select both the cylinder and the rectangle for step 1 and shift them slightly to the right. This moment will become your animated reveal. Go to Transition tab and apply the Morph transition. Duplicate the slide again. Move the cylinder and rectangle to the right. Again, Morph will smartly animate the movement and highlight the second step. Duplicate the slide once more time. Move the cylinder and rectangle to the right. Now, you have a clean sliding animation for all three steps. Go back to the first slide, open the slideshow, and enjoy the smooth progression. It feels dynamic, modern, and perfect for presentations, whether it's educational, business, or creative. So, that's how you transform a simple rectangle and cylinder into a beautifully animated step-by-step slide using Morph. This technique works wonderfully for timelines, process flows, feature highlights, chapter markers, and many more slide ideas. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more animation-based PowerPoint tricks, make sure to subscribe. Try this technique in your next presentation. You will instantly see difference. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.